Okay, magandang buhay. Welcome to my channel, Joltech Tutorial. Okay, this time guys, I will discuss to you the relationship between firing order and running mate. So, what is running mate? Running mate, it determines the firing order based on the number of cylinders contained in the engine crankshaft, engagement, and crankshaft deflection during design. So, meaning to say, running mate is the piston pairing. So as you can observe on the right corner on the illustration, so the number 1 cylinder and then the number 4 piston is at the same level, and then the number 2 and then the number 3 piston is at the same level. So meaning our two piston moving the same direction are called running mate. So meaning to say, kung magbaba yung piston 2 and 3, yung 2 at saka yung 3, sabay sila magbaba going to bottom dead center. And then yung 1 at saka number 4 na piston, upward stroke sila, magsabay naman sila. So yun ang ibig sabihin ng running mate. So running mate in terms of stroke. Ito na yon. So, running mate ng power stroke is intake stroke. So, the power stroke or intake at saka intake stroke is from top dead center to bottom dead center. Okay, ano yung top dead center? Yung top dead center is the uppermost limit travel by the piston. So, yung pinakataas na naabot ng piston from bottom dead center to top dead center. Okay? Then, yung BDC naman is bottom dead center. The lowermost limit travel by the piston from top dead center to bottom dead center. So, that is BDC. Okay? So, yung compression stroke at saka exhaust stroke, yun ang running mate nila. So, babali-bali lang yan. Kung kahit saan yung piston, halimbawa, yung number 4 is naka-compression, understood, yung number 1 naka-exhaust. Once naman na yung number 1 cylinder is naka-exhaust, automatic naman yung running mate naman sa number 4 is naka-compression. So, bali-bali. Same din sa power stroke at saka sa intake stroke. So, yung power stroke at saka sa intake stroke is start from top dead center to bottom dead center. And then, yung compression stroke at saka exhaust stroke is start from bottom dead center to top dead center. Okay. So, yun ang nangyayari sa running mate. Okay, next. Running mate in terms the number of cylinder. So, yung binigay ko na sample sa inyo guys is yung 4 cylinder. Although ito yung pinaka-common kasi. So, running mate ng number 1 is number 4. Or running mate ng number 2 is 3 or 3 or 2. So, bali-bali lang yan sila. 1 or 4, 4 or 1. Okay? So, next is firing order. The firing order, this is the sequence in which the engine cylinders fire and deliver power. So, known as the engine firing order. So, as you can see on the right illustration on the table, yung binigay ko na sample is from 3 cylinder up to 16 cylinder. Although hindi lahat ng firing order na ganito. So, yung 3 cylinder, 1, 3, 2, yun ang example ng Suzuki. Yung 1, 3, 4, 2, that is the common firing order, especially in inline engine. And then 5 cylinder, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. Then in 6 cylinder, yung common na firing order sa 6 cylinder is 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4 or 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 5. Yan ang common na ma-encounter. Then and so on. Then, yung sa 7 cylinder, tingnan nyo na lang kung gusto nyo na kunin yung data, pwede nyo i-post or screenshot para ma-save nyo. Okay? So, yung nakalagay dyan sa screen is example lang siya. Hindi lahat ng engine is ganun yung firing order. Okay? So, note, may nakalagay dyan always refer to manufacturer specification. Okay? So ganun siya guys. Okay, yung firing order hindi yan pwede magkabaliktad. Once na mabaliktad yan, especially sa engine, hindi talaga aandar yung engine natin. Okay? So yun lang muna. So I hope na may natutunan kayo. So next vlog i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ba natin kunin yung running mate based on firing order. Okay? So maraming salamat po. I hope na may natutunan kayo. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at saka i-hit yung like button, and then paki-follow na rin sa Facebook page Joltech Tutorial, and then in my YouTube channel Joltech Tutorial also. Okay?